Cap looks like they've got it lined up, making ready for approach. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting Black Point. And our crew's taking it slow and easy on the approach. Extremely slow and easy. I mean, it's snail's pace, but hey, Cap knows the golden rule, never approach the dock any faster than you're willing to hit it, and at this pace, he'll never hit the dock. Well, he just left the helm. So maybe that's why the commitment of the pace is so slow, because our guy just said, yeah, we're gonna slide in just slow, but man, you've missed the dock. This is an interesting approach. Steps right off the bow, but now there's nobody at the helm to drive the boat. And what's always really risky, I didn't see him get off with any lines. If somehow, for some reason, he loses his grip on this boat, how are they getting it back over? So it looks like he's gonna try and walk it around by the bow rail. But as you can tell today, the current is moving left to right across our screen, which is actually not very typical down here at Black Point. I mean, you know, of course it all works with the tides and wind and things that are going on, but a lot of times we're seeing that right to left movement. And Cap, I mean, once again, Cap's just holding onto a rail with one hand. His fingers slip, this boat's gone. With just wifey and daughter on board. Why, this is a terrible idea, and the stern's kicking exceptionally close to the boat behind him. And finally, somebody on the other boat sees that, and maybe he's going to give them the assist here. Good Samaritan. If he gives him a good enough push, it should bring the boat right back over. And our captain on the dock is starting finally to work his way down the rail. But right here, he's let go. Oh, man. I don't know why he left without a line. All right, our crew's making their approach. Wifey in the bow with the lines. Hubby behind the helm, ready to roll. And the current's got him a little bit. He's going to have to power his way back over. Wifey's trying to get a hold of somebody here on the dock. She's going to go for the distance toss, it appears. And there we go. She actually nails it on the first try. But because that current's got him, my man's going to pull this bow in, but that stern's going to keep going the other way. And the line's not long enough. Of course it's not. So they're going to keep pulling, but that's not going to do much in this situation. So our guy, basically, there we go. Finally, we're getting it around. But this is why you got to have some long lines, guys. If you've got a 25-foot boat, go ahead and do yourself the favor, at least get 30-foot lines. I always recommend getting lines that are longer than the length of your vessel if you can. Now remember what I said earlier, get lines longer than the vessel. That doesn't mean use your friends as lines. As we can see here, happens all too often down here in Miami. And our guy is hanging on by his fingertips. And somebody's finally got the line in the stern. But I can't, I'm assuming the line's not long enough because they're not tossing it up. There we go. And it is, and they're good. Well, when I said they're good, I was wrong because they didn't tie the lines correctly, and now our boat has drifted off. And same deal, as we mentioned, line's not long enough. Our girl's trying to pull, but that's it. That's all she's got. But they'll get it back over. our crew's making an approach, but I definitely don't recommend this dock, as this boat that's trying to pull out is having all kinds of issues. So they're approaching the ramp, but they've kind of paused it as they can see these guys are still messing with this boat and trailer in front of them. And here you can see they're coming backwards down. I don't know what just happened on the trailer, but the whole boat just dropped. But you can hear tires spinning. And our guy quickly decides that he probably should back off and let this crew do what they need to do. And I actually would recommend that as well. But man, that something bounced. I don't know if the trailer reset, something broke on the trailer, if the boat reset on the bunks, but when I saw that, that whole thing just dropped. So Wifey's going for the stretch. Hubby's gonna give her the assist. But he's gonna take a minute to kind of stop and assess anything before he walks off. I would as well, because I have no clue if these guys are getting this boat out in front of you. But he's good to go for the moment. Got the lines on the ready, man. Cap's got it made in the shade today, bro. 2 assistants ready to roll. Bow line ready, stern line ready. This should be easy. Good pace, good approach angle. Nope, nope, nope. Now I see him turning the motors. That's never good when I see that happen. Things are going to get a little out of hand. He's gone the wrong way. He's kicking the stern out. And we'll get the little love tap on the dock. But you're still the wrong way on that. At least he's got long enough lines. So here is one of the few times somebody actually had a line long enough to pull this one off. And it saves him. He gets the assist, but yeah, he was definitely going the wrong way. As soon as I saw that wheel turn on a twin-engine boat like this, that is one tap of starboard reverse on the starboard motor, and it would have brought that rear end back around. But they look like they're good to go from here, and they should be able to get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.